Hello guys! AR-15 and rifles based on AR-15 upgrade and Joker-3 kit unboxing. Today I will tell you what elements you can install on your AR-15. I will use the setup that was used by Murat in previous video as an example. I have prepared a rifle with the same setup as Murat had. Here we have Handguard from Joker-3 kit installed, RK9 AR-15 rear grip, DTK1 AR-15 muzzle brake, Pierced 4M combined device. Pierced 4M is installed on B2L rail, also RL1 hand stoppers on sides, on the bottom, NPN2 basis rail covers and A2L sling mount. My name is Anastasia and I will start with the basic element, the handguard. The handguard is from Joker-3 kit, and at the moment Zenitco makes several types of Joker kits: Joker-0, Joker-1, Joker-2, Joker-3 and Joker-4. The difference between them is the length of the handguard. The length of Joker-3 kit is 345 mm. I will display on the screen the length of other Joker kits so you can compare. The kit of them is the same. There is one small difference and I will speak of it a bit later. So, what's inside the kit? One RL1 hand stopper, the handguard. It consists of upper and lower parts, and there are some parts inside of the handguard, so I will screw out the screws and show you. Joker key for installation of barrel nut, and NPN2 rail covers. There are 6 NPN2 rail covers in Joker-3 kit, the same about Joker-1, Joker-2, Joker-3 and Joker-4. The only different kit is Joker-0. It is the smallest kit and it has 3 NPN2 rail covers because it's just small, and 3 NPN2 rail covers is enough to cover all basis rails on Joker-0. Let's look what's inside the handguard. Upper and lower parts of the handguard are combined by 8 screws, M5 to 7. Slide the top part of the handguard. What's inside? A2L sling mount. It has 2 types of mount: oval mount and plate mount. You can use the one you like better. Next, gas block with a mount for installation of gas block. This is gas block RGB-2 made of titanium. I will speak about it a bit later. B2L. It forms a Picatinny rail on basis rail. It's the same rail on which Pierced 4M was installed. And finally, barrel nut. It is made of titanium. RGB-2 gas block is a titanium adjustable gas block for DI systems. Currently, Zenitco makes two models of gas blocks, RGB-2 and RGB-1. Basically, they are the same. The difference between them is the way of installation. So, RGB-2 has a mount on its top, RGB-1 has a mount on its bottom. For Joker kits, this type, which RGB-2 has, is more comfortable. That's why Joker kits include RGB-2 gas block. Both of them are adjustable of click type and have 36 clicks. Also, this screw is the type of screw that cannot come out, so you won't lose it. Those gas blocks can be used only with straight gas tubes. We also make them for different lengths. I will show them and measure them now. One more thing to say. This thing is designed to position the gas block in Joker kit, so it is made for comfort of installation. Gas tubes. A ruler in inches and centimeters. Okay, one day I will have a longer ruler, but apparently not today. So, one more in centimeters. All exact characteristics are stated on our website en.zenitco.ru. Also, what haven't I spoken about? I haven't spoken about the muzzle brake. And here DTK1/AR-15 muzzle brake is installed. In the kit of it, there is a muzzle brake and 4 washers. Why are they needed? Like this. The width is 0.2 millimeters. This part should go up, so those openings, because they need for stabilizing the shot. Part of gases goes through them and it stabilizes the shot. To position it this way, sometimes some spacer is needed. That's why we put 4 of such washers in the kit. You may need 1, you may need 2 or 3 or 4, but 4 will be enough. And you should screw it in very, very tightly. Next, RK9/AR-15 rear grip. It has a very comfortable grip. It has a sealed container inside of it, and also I will tell you one secret, that very soon we'll have the same grip for AK platforms. So RK9 grip. As soon as it comes out, I will make an announcement. All the products that I mentioned today can be ordered either on en.zenitco.ru or in our partner stores. The list of official partners is stated on en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. And I will see you in next videos, and goodbye!